In this video, we're going to take you through the process of creating short form content for TikTok, for IG, for any other platform. And we are going to show you all the tips and tricks that we use. So feel free to use them, steal them, and have success on your own.
We are at Taiwan Connection Park and we just saw an interesting place here and we're gonna use it for some of our ideas. Let's go. I like this place because of the ceiling here. Up there you can see a railway. Yeah, and we're gonna use it in the next TikTok. This was an establishing shot from far so you can see the whole scene. And now we do all the same with a close-up. Closer shot. One important tip, guys, about acting on TikTok, you need to exaggerate your emotion and exaggerate the whole situation. Act the way people don't usually act in real life. That's how you get excited on TikTok. In real life, people would think you are crazy, but on TikTok, you do this. I make Sharon raise her hand because I'm framing, and when she raised her hand, it's practically my height, right? So when she raised her hand, I pretend that it's me, right? And I frame
Okay.
accordingly. Yeah, it's fine.
What's there?
I don't know. This TikTok is done. Yeah, this pretty simple thing. So I think we're gonna do another one.
Make sure to stick till the end to see the results of today's work.
And you always need to make sure that you press the record button because we always forget. Yes, I did. This TikTok is super simple. Just have a look. Another tip for TikTok, you need to trigger people, right? For example, the way she slapped me can trigger some people that slapping people is not good, right? So some people can have opinion about it. So you need to make people express their opinions on your TikTok in the comments.
Another tip for TikTok video, just do everything quickly, don't wait.
I just saw these branches and I had instant idea that we can shoot this height difference TikTok. So I'm walking and those branches hit me in the face and Sharon just quickly walking. Yeah, she doesn't need to squat, but I need to go down. So first I want to make an establishing shot from behind and from the front and then do a close-up like those branches that hit me very
I will
hard.
help you this part.
Yeah, she will help me. She likes hitting me. Take it easy. The reason why we do close-up to establish contrast between her being fine because she's short and between me being tall and getting those slaps from those branches. Another thing that I think stops a lot of people from doing TikToks and things with social media is that in public you need to be a goof. You need to be an idiot and don't be afraid.
Don't be shy.
Yeah.
Just ignore people around you, okay?
Yeah, they will be looking at you and thinking that you're an idiot or just crazy goof or something like that. But that's what makes good TikTokers and creators. Here we have a set of stairs, right? Looks pretty cool. We don't know yet how we're gonna use it, but we're gonna have a little brainstorm session with Sharon, and I'm pretty sure we're gonna come up with some ideas.
Don't do too dangerous thing because your video will be blocked on TikTok.
Remember once we climbed an electric tower?
Oh yeah.
Yes, and it got removed for dangerous actions.
Yeah.
So guys, be careful about the guidelines and better read the guidelines before you do TikToks because if your 5 videos got removed, your account get blocked. My iPhone camera settings is 60 frames per second. Okay. Another pro tip for creators, beginners, is that you better shoot close to sunset and or early in the morning. Yeah, those things called golden hour or gold hour. Yes, the light is more soft and more pleasant for the eye.
If you make a mistake on TikTok, just don't to be angry by yourself. Like him.
Happy guy.
Shoot again. That's it.
I like this one down there, and usually we just go over it and go shoot something there, but now we are famous influencers, so we need to behave. We can't do things like that anymore. We can't break the rules. You don't need always make some meaningful TikToks. Sometimes you do some weird stuff and people react to it. Once you speak on TikTok, you cut your audience to very narrow niche. But when you don't have any dialogue, there are people who speak any languages can react to your videos and relate to it. So sometimes it's better to have no dialogue, just simply action.
Exactly.
Many people ask us how much money we make from TikTok, but to be honest, we don't make any money from TikTok. And if you want to make money from TikTok, be sure that you're on the list of the countries that are paid and that are on the fund. And Taiwan is not one of them.
So sad.
So sad. It's an interesting location. Elevator that nobody uses. It's in the park. Yeah, it just takes you from the ground to the second floor of this beautiful park. So we're gonna use it for some TikToks. Let's have a look. Unfortunately, we can't use the elevator. It stopped working 7 minutes ago. It works till 5 and now it's 5:07. So, but we're still gonna use the elevator as a prop. Right?
Always have plan B.
Another interesting thing that you may do is use prop, and you must do it because props add some interest and value to your videos. We got these VR glasses. We got them on Shopee for 200 NT, so we're gonna use them here. I'm gonna pretend that I'm playing VR here on this very dangerous staircase, and Sharon is going to try and catch me. Sharon has one supernatural ability. She can cry on wheel. We have that one famous TikTok, actually we have a lot of them, but the same gig where we play the balloon game and I hold Sharon's head and she cries, and she can cry just thinking about it. So we're gonna do the same. And the trick with this video is that people are triggered with their sympathy, right? A lot of people think, what's wrong with Sharon? Maybe I abuse Sharon or something. And there's a lot of questions, a lot of comments, thousands of comments, like wear blue in the next video if you're in danger or something like that. Those videos trigger people a lot. Because it's getting dark, so we don't have enough light. And the more light, the better. Yeah, so we brought a little bit of light with us, like this one. So to make Sharon's and my face more visible. Another big part of making good short form content is editing. I'm using DaVinci Resolve, it's free, let's dive into it. First of all, make sure that you make it as short as possible. Cut all the fluff, every shot should add value, if it doesn't, cut it out. Second, sound design. Sound design is very important, there are plenty of free sounds on the internet, just play around with it. And the third point is your editing should be based on viewer perspective. It is clear for you what is what, but for the viewer it may not. Start from the establishing shot and then cut to the close-ups and emotions. If you aim to create viral short-form content, here's the summary of what you should do.
Number 1, make it as short as possible.
Number 2, exaggerate your emotions.
Number 3, trigger people's reaction.
Number 4, shoot right after sunrise or before sunset.
Number 5, use many interesting angles. What's there?
I don't know, my nose bleeds.
Are you okay?
I'm okay. It's the best day in my life.